Early model 750 grain drills have the bearing that's down in the closing wheel and doesn't have the bearing up there. So you go through a lot of bearings with it being in the dirt, but then the arm comes up to this thing and it looks all disgusting because, like most people, you use it and then it becomes flopsy and doesn't work as well. So RK Products Copperhead Edge comes up with a kit that you can rebuild that. It comes with a new weld-in pin, a bolt that holds everything together with brass bushings, spring washers, and stuff to keep everything straight. So that pin, then you have to weld in. So you either cut your old one off out of there and still deal with the bearing in your closing wheel down in the dirt, or you go to Shoup or someone else and get the bearing that is in the arm that you can actually update your wheel to this nice drill cruiser that has spikes on it that's really good for no-till applications. The only problem with that is you have to drill this hole out here that comes from Shoup as a 5/8 hole. You have to drill it out to 1 inch, and then you have to weld this pin in there, but you also have to make sure it is perfectly square, both that way and that way, of course, and you weld it in, and then you end up with an arm that looks like this. Weld it up, ready to go, bearing there, and then you can install that on your closing wheel arm with the steel shim, brass bushing, new spring, steel shim that keeps everything in line, brass bushing, spring washers, locking nut, and then this bolt gets torqued to the shaft in there that's welded in to 80 foot-pounds, and then you tighten this down fully so these springs are compressed, and then you back it off 1 turn if you're running a spike closing wheel, or a 1/2 turn if you're running a smooth closing wheel. Stay tuned because there's going to be more to come in this early 750 grain drill full rebuild. I mean, we went from the plastic Packer wheels to the Needham Ag V8 firming wheels, new discs, putting new bushings in here, new pins. This one had a new arm because the other one was bent. New drill, the seed boots, tabs. We're even doing the updated kit in here where we drill out the center there and install a drill seed boot update kit in there, I guess it would be called. It's a fix, but yeah, so it adds a steel insert the whole way across. Instead of having your bolt on this edge and this edge, it actually supports the bolt the whole way through. So stay tuned and we'll show you some more.